Okay, I'm gonna test this out now because the trash man didn't come yet. And if this thing doesn't work, it's going in the trash. Nope. I couldn't even tell in person that it's broken. Oh, right there. Yep. Busted. Into the line. Where's the ball? Did you lose it? There it is. I lost it. It'll run after it, but won't catch it. Hey. Say hi. Here, want the ball? Here, get the ball. Come on, get out of the street. Oh, see you later then. Power dash something. Look at the brush rollers in. Condition. It's pretty bad and it's not focusing. It's a nice chair. And state. And I'm not gonna grab that. Ooh, free tea. Definitely not gonna grab that.